Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Whatever time it is for you in your geographical location, you are welcome to the sure word for today's audio daily devotion. You are alive, and no matter what you are going through, remember that today is a beautiful day. If you are here for the first time, I will be glad if you could subscribe and click the bell icon to receive our notification when we post a new video. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, family, friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and social networks. I want to thank you for sharing. Our mission is to deliver the word of God in spirit and truth. When nothing goes right, go left. I've learned that anybody can be happy when things are going well. But when things are not going well, it draws out the inner warrior in you to radiate that and bring whatever happiness you can to the situation. Courage, above all things, is the first quality of a warrior. Be patient when it seems things are not going right and may never be right again. Accept that what is yours will come to you in the right way at just the right moment. Most times, if things are not going well, I don't cry. I say, and we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. God will turn things around in my favor late in the midnight hour. The power of life and death is in your tongue. Speak life. Call forth your desires. Call forth the solution, the things that are not as though they are. Be careful what you say about your condition. Your words are magical with so much power. Your words could transform your life and the life of others. Mean what you say and speak with intention. The affirmation for this week's sure word for today. I will speak words of life today. Today's title for the sure word for today's series is The Power of the Tongue, Part 4 of 7. All Bible quotations are from the King James Version unless otherwise stated. This week's Bible verse is from the book of Proverbs, chapter 18, verse 21. Quote, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof." Unquote. The word of God is not created to be stagnant. It must move. It needs a target. With a target, there is an intention. Remember, the word is near you, even in your heart and mind. That is the word of faith you preach unless you are not preaching it. The tongue is the only instrument to move the word from your heart and mind. The Lord cannot stand behind his word to accomplish it until you speak the word. Even when you speak the word, what will attract God to his word is your faith and belief. See, Abraham believed in God, and it was accounted unto him for righteousness. God told Moses and Aaron they will not enter the promised land because of their unbelief. We all love our Bible heroes and forget that they are human like us. They also sin and make mistakes. The difference is they know how to plead to God to forgive and cleanse them. I want to make a strong statement about Moses. Please, I am not against Moses, but the truth shall set you free. Romans chapter 10 verse 10, quote, "For with the heart man believeth unto righteousness, and with the mouth confession is made unto salvation." Unquote. Righteousness is all about your belief, not your practice of the ordinances. It is not about fasting, prayers, praise and worship, communion, fellowshipping, and even speaking in tongues. Moses was not righteous because of unbelief. He was a great servant of God. He spoke face to face with God, yet in a moment of a challenge, he lost his focus. He did not believe in God, but God did not disappoint when Moses spoke the word. God blessed humans and gave us the power to have dominion over the earth. It was not until Satan entered the picture that the power of words was perverted to bring death and destruction. Satan is not a god. He is a fallen angel. He is not in the God class. You give him too much attention in your prayer meetings. You call his name more than you speak the word of God. Consequently, there is no creative power in Satan. We have reached the end of part 4 of the Sure Word audio devotion series titled The Power of the Tongue. Please don't go away. The Sure Word Capsule is next. Welcome to the Sure Word Capsule. A capsule is a tiny tube holding powdered or liquid medicine which you swallow. Capsules are easier to swallow. Capsules are proper when you want to be sure that you are absorbing all the ingredients or want to spike your bloodstream with a specific kind of ingredient. The Sure Word Capsule is the medicine for your deliverance, protection, healing, prosperity, and safety. You take this capsule by constantly confessing the Word of God. I would like you to confess this at least once, twice, or 3 times a day. Whatever you are going through, this word will help you. You'll be blessed if you start with me and repeat every word that I confess. To avoid gaps in this recording, I will join you in repeating the Sure Word Capsule. Please confess after me. I am a person of integrity. I am a person of integrity. With the right attitude and specific goals. With the right attitude and specific goals. I have high energy. I have high energy. I am enthusiastic. I am enthusiastic. And I take absolute pride. And I take absolute pride in my appearance. In my appearance. And what I do. And what I do. I have a sense of humor. I have a sense of humor. Lots of faith. Lots of faith. Wisdom. Wisdom. And the vision. And the vision. Empathy. Empathy. And courage. And courage. To use my talents effectively. To use my talents effectively. I have discovered in me the many deposits of talent. I have discovered in me the many deposits of talent, and I am valuable in all walks of life, and I am valuable in all walks of life. I have character, and I am knowledgeable. I have character, and I am knowledgeable. My convictions are strong. My convictions are strong, and I have a healthy self-image, and I have a healthy self-image, a passion for what is right, a passion for what is right, and a solid hope for the future, and a solid hope for the future. I am an honest, sincere, hardworking person. I am an honest, sincere, hardworking person. I am strict but fair and yet sensitive. I am strict but fair and yet sensitive. I am disciplined, motivated, and focused. I am disciplined, motivated, and focused. I am a good listener and patient. I am a good listener and patient. But take decisive action. But take decisive action. I am bold, authoritative, and confident, yet humble. I am bold, authoritative, and confident, yet humble. I am an encourager. I am an encourager. A good finder. A good finder. An excellent communicator, and I am developing winning habits, and I am developing winning habits. I am a student, a teacher, and a self-starter. I am a student, a teacher, and a self-starter. I am obedient, loyal, responsible, dependable, and prompt. I have a servant's heart. I have a servant's heart. I am ambitious and I am a team player. I am ambitious and I am a team player. I am personable, optimistic, and organized. I am personable,
optimistic, and organized. I am consistent, considerate, and resourceful. I am consistent, considerate, and resourceful. I am intelligent, competent, persistent, and creative. I am intelligent, competent, persistent, and creative. I am health conscious, balanced, and sober. I am health conscious, balanced, and sober. I am flexible, punctual, and thrifty. I am flexible, punctual, and thrifty. I am an honorable person. I am an honorable person who is genuinely grateful for the opportunity. Who is genuinely grateful for the opportunity life has given me. Life has given me. These are the qualities of the winner I was born to be. These are the qualities of the winner I was born to be. I am fully committed to developing these marvelous qualities. I am fully committed to developing these marvelous qualities. Today is a new day. Today is a new day. I am delighted because I have another opportunity to make the best of the day. I am delighted because I have another opportunity to make the best of the day. This is the day the Lord has made. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I am my superhero. I am my superhero. I refuse to give up because I have not tried all possible ways. I refuse to give up because I have not tried all possible ways. I am adventurous. I am adventurous. I overcome fear by following my dreams. I overcome fear by following my dreams. I will not compare myself to strangers on the internet. I will not compare myself to strangers on the internet. I will not compare myself to anyone. I will not compare myself to anyone. I am a loving person. I am a loving person. I am purposeful. I am purposeful. I am created with divine intention. I am created with divine intention. I feed my spirit. I feed my spirit. I train my body. I train my body. I focus my mind. I focus my mind. It is my time. It is my time. I am in charge of how I feel. I am in charge of how I feel. And today, I am choosing happiness. And today, I am choosing happiness. I have the power to create change. I have the power to create change. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I deserve the best. I deserve the best. And I accept the best now. And I accept the best now. I get things done fast. I get things done fast. I never put things off. I never put things off. I am a doer. I act quickly. I am a doer. I act quickly. I am motivated to finish my tasks. I am motivated to finish my tasks. I have the willpower to do my assignments. I have the willpower to do my assignments. I am a proactive person. I am a proactive person. I am fully committed to achieving my goals. I am fully committed to achieving my goals. We have reached the end of the Sure Word audio devotion and the declaration of the Sure Word capsule. Please visit www.thesureword.org.uk for more capsules tailored to meet your specific needs. You can also request a Sure Word capsule to be created for any challenge you are experiencing. Thank you for listening and confessing along. Please don't forget to share this audio devotion. You have been inspired, motivated, encouraged, and empowered to become the person God created you to be. For more encouraging words of faith, inspiration, and the resources to overcome your challenges, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to receive instant notification anytime we publish a new video. You will be the head and not the tail.
You will rise above your challenges because you are more than a conqueror. Thank you. Have a gorgeous day. God bless you.